We're going to talk about reusable period pants. Pants work very much in the same way as pads, except that the pad is built into the pair of pants. There are lots of different brands which come in different sizes, styles, colours and absorbencies, so hopefully you'll be able to find a pair that works for you. They work exactly the same way as a normal pair of pants, so you just need to pop them on. They also come in different absorbencies, just like pads. So this pair is a thicker pair, so that will be a pair which you would wear for where you need the higher amount of absorbency, so when you have a heavy flow. There are also mid-range absorbencies, which are sort of for general use, and then there are also lighter absorbency, which could be used for the beginning or the end of your period, where your flow is lighter. Period pants can be worn for up to 12 hours, but you need to make sure that you choose a pair that is correct for your flow. So if you have a heavy flow, you might need to change the pants more often. If you have a lighter flow, then you might be able to wear them for the full 12 hours. If you want to make the full switch from disposables to reusables, general guidelines are that you would need 10 to 15 pairs of pants to see you through your periods. This will depend on how heavy your flow is and how often you're going to wash the pants. Reusable period pants can last for on average 3 years. This will depend on how frequently you're using them and also how you're caring for them.